Okay, it's time for us to expand our repertoire a little bit with our music mind game, blue Jello cards. So again, because I have to hold the cards up, I can't show you. This is the hand symbol that I would be using if we were in group class in order to show you this rhythm. So this is purple, 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 and I can't do that and hold the card at the same time. So I'm going to do it by doing this with my thumb. Okay, here we go. Let's play our purples. Ready, set, go. Purple, 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 purple. Well done. Let's do it again. Set, go. Purple, 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 purple. Beautiful. Let's change the color of our huckleberries here. Instead of red, they're going to be purple. Here we go. Set, go. Huckleberry, purple, huckleberry, huckleberry, purple. Let's do that again. Set, go. Huckleberry, purple, huckleberry, huckleberry, purple. Well done. We're going to be watching for this rhythm in this set of cards. Here we go. Set, go. Huckleberry to purple Jello. Ooh, that one was tricky. Let's try that again. Set, go. Huckleberry to purple Jello. Well done. All right, we have some pineapple in this mix. Set, go. Pineapple, blue, blue, shh, huckleberry. Let's do that again, please. Set, go. Pineapple, blue, blue, shh, huckleberry. Excellent. All right, ready? Look out for how many beams are joining these groups of notes. You can also see on this card the huckleberries are closer together than the Jello. That also tells us something about their speed. Here we go. Set, go. Huckleberry, shh. Huckleberry, Jello. Set, go. Huckleberry, shh. Huckleberry, Jello. Very well done. Okay, tropical. Set, go. Pineapple, 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 shh. Jello. Set, go. Pineapple, 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 shh. Jello. You are doing great. Set, go. Shh, shh, shh. Pineapple. One more time. Set, go. Shh, shh, shh. Pineapple. Well done. Okay, here's our purple. Ready? Set, go. Purple, shh. Purple, shh, shh. Set, go. Purple, shh. Purple, shh, shh. Look out for a number of beams. Ready? Set, go. Jello, shh. Pineapple. One more time. Set, go. Jello, shh. Pineapple. Remember that this rest that's shaped like a hat is a half rest, that's what we call it, and it's 2 beats of shh. Very good. Finally, we have our last card. Set, go. Pineapple, Jello, pineapple, Jello, pineapple. Set, go. Pineapple, Jello, pineapple, Jello, pineapple. Beautiful. Very good work on your rhythm cards. These are the big blue Jello cards from Music Mind Games. Absolutely an excellent, excellent resource. I highly recommend these for home practice. Lots of practice with our rhythms, always being very steady. Have fun.